Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the color of a Google Sheets tab. Alright, so a great feature we have in Google Sheets is that we can change the color of different Google Sheets tabs, so it's really easy to differentiate between two tabs, even visually. So as you can see, we have two tabs: Project Management's Google Sheets tab and Copy of Project Management. Now let's say we want to have this tab red background. So all we have to do then is right click on that Google Sheets tab we want to change the color of, or we can also click on this down arrow here and select change color here, and let's select the red one, and as you can see now it has a distinctive red background. If you want to change the color again, you can reset the color to basically no color, or you can change it to another color. So now this is how you can change the color of a Google Sheets tab. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.